Hello, hello! This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I'm out in the Bluebird Bungalow, and today we're going to make a little paper bag that can be used inside a junk journal. It can be for a letter to tuck in, anything you want. And this is an inspiration from Roxy's Creations. I will link that video below. I was watching her and just loved the little paper bag she was making, and decided that I would create a guide for you. And this is meant to be an overlay. So you can print this on whatever paper that you want. So for instance, I printed the music paper, and then I ran it back through with this on top. So I printed it, take it out, back in, print this off of my computer onto this, and this is what I have. So let's make one. Now, I've got some guides here for you. Remove, and that means remove this section and this section, and you're going to cut on dashed lines and fold on solid lines. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we're going to cut on our dashed lines. So I'm going to cut across here, like that, and cut this right here. Oh, cut very straight. There we go. Okay. And now the other side. And down that dashed line. Now I could have cut all my white. Oh, God. I'm shaking. You guys are making me nervous. Cut right down there. And just a little more, a little snip more. There we go. Okay. I was going to cut out all the white, but we'll cut that as we go. So we're going to take down to there, that solid line, and there. And I don't think I'm going to worry about cutting the white off of that, but I'm going to cut it off of here. And actually, you don't need to. Let's not. This is where I need to cut the white off. And in fact, I'm going to cut in a little bit on this one. I'm going to take off, maybe ½ an inch. Same on this side. Right like that. Okay. Now we're going to start folding on our solid lines. We're going to fold the sides just like that. And just like that. And you really don't need this guide. Once you've done one or two, you will have it and you will understand. Okay, so now open it up. This is going to fold down right like that. And I think that I'm going to use glue stick on this. Let's see. Let's see, what can I glue on? I've got this piece of, maybe not that. What can I use? There we go. Got this piece. It's a leftover piece of sublimation paper. So let's do this two sides first. So run my glue stick along there, and oh, I didn't even fold them. Come on, Pat. Fold right on that fold right there. Okay. It should cut that just a little angled. Let's get that out of the way. Right. So we can see it. Just going to cut that right there. Like that. Just snip that off there. Okay. And let's fold this one before we put glue on it. And trim that straight before we glue that down on there. Okay, let's put some glue on here, fold that back, and now we can put glue on this big fold for the center, just like that. Okay. So this folds over there. Do you think I need... Nope, we'll be cutting that. That's right. Don't worry about that. Just fold that over and that over. Just like that. And now we are going to put some glue along here, right along there, and right along there, so that when we place them on each other, it's all glued down. And then fold this up just like that. Oh, I did not cut my white off. Just like that. Let's put the glue stick cap back on. And just some glue like this. Oh, right there on that edge. And right like that. So now, should have done some distressing because you can't see the opening. Let's see if we can add some so that we can see that. Yeah, that's good. And let's distress while we're at it down these sides and the bottom. And let's cut a little notch there. I'm going to be brave or foolish and just eyeball it. There we are. And a little bit of that there. And if you've got pinking shears, and I don't, but I do have this. I don't know if this will work. You know how those little bags have like a little raggedy edge? It would be better if I let that dry. And then, if I can get it off my finger, just distress that. All right, so we've got our little bag, and here are the prompts for August. And this you will print out on cardstock and then cut them into the cards. And I'll cut one and we'll slide it in. So this one has the 31 prompts if you're following along and journaling in whatever journal that you have going. And I do have a new kit that I'll be rolling out. It's revisiting some doors. I'll give you that much hint. And hopefully they will be out about the same time as this. So if you want to make a new journal for the month of August, you can do that. Okay, let's slide this back up here. So this fit right like that. And it can go into the, let's see, if I got a journal somewhere I can show you. It can go there and be pulled through. It can go in a pocket. I don't know if this one has a pocket. This journal doesn't have a pocket, but it could slide down in a pocket, or it can just tuck in, almost like a placeholder. All right, so this will be available in my Etsy shop. It will be the overlay, and you can print it on whatever paper that you want. I just happen to choose this music paper. There are other papers that are available on my, did I say my Etsy shop? I did. On my Petresca Papers Facebook group. If I said that wrong, I'm sorry. But this will be the freebie, and this will also be a freebie, the August Journal Prompts. And you can print this on whatever paper. There are other papers that are in the freebies on my Petresca Papers Facebook group. I'm sorry. And I think that's going to be it for now, but watch for my new kit that's going to be coming out, and you'll see me back here. Hey, thank you guys. Comment, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. It really does help the algorithm of my YouTube channel. It will bring more people. And share. If you've got friends that like to junk journal, share this site with them. Hey, thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.